Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy Tab Active5 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll to find security and privacy. And this is what we will see after tapping on this security and privacy. So let's scroll and tap on biometrics and then tap on the fingerprints. If you've got the screen lock currently applied, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. If not, your device will ask you to add it right now. You cannot use the fingerprint without the regular screen lock, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So just add it and then you will be able to follow all of my instructions. Here, let's simply tap on continue. And as you can see, we've got the information that we have to place our finger on the sensor. I highly recommend to add it with the device turned in the kind of regular position. I will try to do it like that. So let me put my finger on the sensor, which is located on this central button. So let me tap on it. And as you can see right now, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Whoa. Okay, continue. I've accidentally pressed the button. All right, so let's tap on done. Okay, I don't know what happened, but that's okay, that's okay. Let's go back to the biometrics. Let's tap on the fingerprints. And this is the fingerprint we just added. Right here we can tap on it to rename it or remove it if you want to. We can add another fingerprint. I believe we can use up to 5 different fingerprints. It is, I would say, a regular amount of the fingerprints which we can add. We can check added fingerprints. It will be useful if you've got more than 1 fingerprint added. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, whether you want to unlock the device with it. And the fingerprint always on, so you will be able to scan your fingerprint even when the screen is off. It's up to you. All right, so let me go back and let me try to lock the device. Which one? Okay, this one. And let's try to unlock it just by putting our finger on the sensor, or actually my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.